Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing Hostinger coupon code video. In this video, I'm going to reveal two of the finest coupon codes along with the special discount link which is mentioned in the description of this video. So what you have to do to get started is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on the discount link in the description, you will be landed to a page like this. Now I'm going to share with you how you can get as much as up to 89% discount, which is an exclusive amazing discount for anyone who want to buy their hosting from Hostinger. So now what you have to do to buy your hosting is once you click over here and you are landed over here, first of all I want to tell you few things why I opted for Hostinger. Look around 30 days money back guarantee, which is an amazing thing for anything you are being covered with 30 days money back guarantee, so you can buy your hosting with confidence. Scroll below, look around on the reviews. This was the second thing which inspired me to buy my hosting from Hostinger was their reviews. Look around on the reviews, 4.7 rating out of 5, which is just amazing, and this inspired me to buy my hosting, because 4.7 rating is very good for any hosting company to maintain. Now if you look around on the reviews, see the reviews yourself and look around, 5 star, 5 star, almost all are 5 stars, some are 4 stars as well. So the best thing is that when you buy, you are being covered with 30 days money back guarantee. So you can see these things inspired me to buy my hosting from Hostinger. Also, the Hostinger has been featured on almost all of the famous websites, and even I'm personally using it from the last 5 years, and my experience so far is very good. The other few features include Hostinger provide you with Hostinger Horizons, which is an AI website builder. You can also create your website with WordPress. Even my website is on WordPress. You can also migrate to Hostinger. So if you buy hosting and you want to come from another hosting company, Hostinger has a dedicated migrate to Hostinger service where you can shift all of your website, that too free of cost. Scroll below and now look around on their plans. Now you can see that you can get as much as up to 89% discount on all of the plan when you buy through the link in the description. So make sure to click on the link. Now Hostinger offer you three plans: premium, business and cloud startup. I used the premium plan for the first year, and from the second year onwards I used the business plan. And if you ask me which one you have to buy, so my recommendation is to do a thorough research of all the three plans. For instance, with the premium you can create up to 3 websites, in the business you can create up to 50 websites, and in the cloud you can host up to 100 websites. Now the second interesting thing is that the premium plan use SSD storage, which is faster, but the business and cloud setup supports NVMe storage, which is even faster. So if you are speed conscious, resources conscious, so plan to buy your business or cloud startup. But if you are on a budget and if you do not want to get more websites, the premium plan is also good to buy. So let's say we're going with the business plan which I used, and I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 89% discount, which is very high for Hostinger. So make sure to click on the link in the description to buy your hosting from Hostinger with 89% discount, which is you just have to pay almost 11% from the original price, which is a huge discount. You can see it's a special exclusive discount running right now, and I am here with my with this discount for my audience. Now look around on the Hostinger. Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods to buy your hosting from Hostinger: 48, 24, 12 and 1 month. If you ask me which billing period to buy, my recommendation is to opt for the 48 months to buy, so you can save the maximum amount of money, because these prices won't appear again. I am here with exclusive pricing for you. You can see it's 18.99 to 3.59, so you can save for 4 years with this link. So you can apply this coupon code, or you can use other coupon codes. All of the coupon codes are mentioned in the description of this video, along with my special discount link to buy. So another coupon code is this one. You can use either of the coupon codes, so you can see to save the additional amount. So see around, it's 11,192,208. Your daily backups are free, 3 extra months are free, your domain name is free. And now what you have to do, if you want to get your free domain right now, you can write a claim over here or later on through the Hostinger control panel. So the free domain is only valid for the first year, so take this as well. So let's say I'm going with this domain, I'm just going to select it. for the free for the first year, so I do not have to pay anything additional for the domain. And you can see around everything is perfect to buy. My 30 days money back guarantee is loaded. Now select continue, and you may be asked to log in or create a new account at Hostinger, and I'm going to log in and get back to you. So I just logged in, and now I have to write my banking details over here. So you can write your banking details and simply select the continue to move on to the last part, and that is doing payment at Hostinger. So before we do the payment, let's revise the order summary to see everything is perfect before you buy. All of your 48 months, everything is fine as per your expectation. So yeah, that is very important. After this, you can select your credit card over here, because I've been using, so my credit cards are preloaded over here, so you can use other payments as well. So the procedure is very quick and easy. Once you do the payment, within few minutes you are going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your details. So yeah, just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description. Use either of the coupon code to buy your hosting from Hostinger. My experience was very good, and the discount offers are very good. So claim these discount offers by wheeling it through the link in the description. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.